Hello students, today we will talk about cell division. What is cell division? Cell division involves a series of events which ultimately results in division of cell. What is cell division? It involves series of events. It involves series of events which ultimately results in division of cell. Okay. Now, after this, the cell division occurs in a cyclic manner. This is called as cell cycle. The division of cell occur in a cyclic manner, which is called as cell cycle. So, what is cell cycle? It is orderly sequence of events. It is orderly sequence of events by which the cell duplicates its content and divides into two. Okay. What is cell cycle? It is a orderly sequence of event by which the cell duplicates and divides into two. How does it happen? This is a cell, for example. It will split into two and result in the formation of two cells. Okay. In brief, the cell division occurs like this, but actually it involves a complete sequence of events which will ultimately result in the formation of these two cells. Now, this cell cycle is divided into two halves. The cell cycle is divided into two halves. What are these two halves? These two halves are the I phase and the M phase. Okay. What is this I phase? This I phase is referred to as interphase and this M phase is referred to as the mitotic phase. Okay. This I phase can also be called as non-dividing preparatory phase, while this M is referred to as the dividing phase. Okay. In this I phase, remember students, in this I phase, no division of cell takes place. It is only the preparation for the division of cell. Whereas in M phase, division of cell takes place. Okay. This M phase would be either the mitosis. This M phase can either be mitosis or it can be meiosis. Either of these two can occur in this dividing phase. This I phase is common to both the mitosis and the meiosis. This preparatory phase will occur in both the mitosis and the meiosis. Whereas in I phase only the preparation for the division of cell takes place. In this I phase only the preparation takes place. Now let us draw a cell cycle, and this I phase, before drawing the cell cycle, this I phase is further divided into three parts. It is the G1 phase, the S phase and the G2 phase. These are the phases of interphase. Now let us discuss each of these phases in brief. To begin with the G1 phase. G1 phase is also referred to as the post mitotic phase. Okay, it is of longest duration, around 12 hours. Here all the preparation for cell division takes place. A star point is in this synthesis of RNA and protein takes place. Okay. Remember, in the G1 phase, the synthesis of RNA and protein takes place. No synthesis of DNA takes place in the G1 phase. Now, this G1 phase is followed by the S phase. This S phase is also referred to as the synthesis phase. S stands for synthesis. So, also called as the synthesis phase. Synthesis of DNA takes place in the S phase. Always remember students, synthesis of DNA takes place in this phase. Okay. The duration of the S phase is 6 to 8 hours. Now, this S phase is followed by the G2 phase. Now, this G2 phase, the duration of the G2 phase is around 3 to 4 hours. And the synthesis of remaining RNA and protein takes place here, and duplication of organelles also takes place here. Synthesis of remaining protein and RNA takes place here. Okay, and duplication of organelles also takes place here. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, students, this G1 phase is referred to as the first gap phase. Okay, this is referred to as the first gap phase. This G stands for gap. Similarly, this G2 phase is referred to as second gap phase. Okay, after this G2 phase, the cell undergoes division. Okay, so this is also referred to as the cell prepares for division. Cell is ready to divide. Okay, so after this G2 phase is the M phase. Now we'll draw a cycle of the cell cycle which we have studied. We draw it like this. We draw a circle. We'll revise whatever we have studied in these phases individually. We'll draw a so we'll divide it like this. A rough pie diagram. Okay, so this is the G1 phase, this is the S phase, this is the G2 phase, and this is the M phase. This G1, as we have already discussed, is the longest phase, takes about 12 hours. Okay, what happens here is synthesis of RNA and protein synthesized. Okay, this is of longest duration. Now, when the cell is in the G1 phase, it has two options, or rather we can say it has three options. What are the three options? The cell will stop division. The cell will stop division, or it will undergo division. Okay, if it will undergo division, it will directly enter where? It will directly enter into the S phase. But there is one more condition which we read as the G0 phase. This is the G0 phase. G0 phase. This G0 phase is called as arrested G1 or delayed G1. What happens in this G0 is the ideal conditions are not present for the cell to divide. So it arrests its division. But whenever the ideal conditions are there, the cell will undergo to the S phase. This S phase is the phase where DNA is synthesized. Okay? If the cell enters this S phase, then it is bound to divide. The cell is bound to divide when it enters the S phase. From the S phase, it goes into the G2 phase. From the G2 phase, it goes into the mitotic phase, which is the division phase. Okay? So, this G1, S and G2 together comprise of what? Interphase. So, we are finished with the interphase. Now, we'll start the M phase. In M phase, the actual division of the cell takes place. This M phase, the duration is 1 hour. Okay, the duration is 1 hour. In the 1 hour, the cell duplicates. Now, this M phase could be either mitosis or it could be meiosis. Okay, what is this mitosis and what is meiosis? Mitosis is equational division. That means the daughter cells have same number of chromosomes as the parent. The 2n will produce 2n. From n there will be n. The number of chromosomes is maintained. Whereas in meiosis it is reductional division. What is reductional division? From 2n only n is formed. This is reductional division. Now we'll start with mitosis. Don't get confused, students. The mitosis is a part of the M phase. What is M phase? M is the mitotic phase. That is the division phase. Okay? Don't get confused. Mitosis. This mitosis is further divided into 4 stages. It is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. These are the stages of mitosis. Okay? Don't get confused, students. I'll give you a brief summary here. Interphase and the mitotic phase. Okay? This mitotic phase is divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. And this interphase is divided into G1, S and G2 phase. Now we will read about these phases one by one in the next class. Thank you.